Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day wreath from the materials that I got at Michael's yesterday on the shopping haul. We're going to start cutting the deco mesh. I usually cut it like around 8 inches long. So I already kind of like know about how much to cut it. And after we cut the deco mesh, we're going to roll both ends towards the center of the deco mesh. Like this. After rolling it together like this, I'm going to pinch the center and do a little twist around. Then I'm going to use this floral wire that happens to be in green to wrap it around the center and then to connect it to the wreath. So we're going to wrap it in the center like this and give it a little twist. And then, like I already started doing this, we're going to connect it here and twist it to secure it. Now I completed all the deco mesh. I put it all in on the wreath. It looks very nice already, even with that, with the other decorations. So now we're going to start to putting or making the bows and putting them on the wreath. To make the bow, you make a twisting here like this. You keep twisting the ribbon up and down. And then crunching in the middle, put a twist tie around and twist it. And then open the bow like this. And then it's ready to be put on the wreath. So we're going to do that right now. I already attached all the bows to the wreath with the twist ties also, so now I'm going to embellish them with the decorations, the coins, and the little St. Patrick's clover and hats. I'm using the glue gun to glue the coins and the St. Patrick hats and clover. I had some leftover coins, so I decided to attach a ribbon to the middle of the wreath and glue on additional coins, so there is like a ribbon with coins stringing down. There you have it, a beautiful St. Patrick's Day wreath done on a budget. I saved around $25 by doing it myself. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day.